Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to redeem BPI points. We will cover the simple steps to turn your accumulated points into exciting rewards. You'll learn about the various redemption options, from shopping credits to airline miles, and how to easily check your points balance. Get ready to maximize the value of your BPI credit card by understanding this straightforward process. Let's get started. Before redeeming, it's essential to know your current points total. You can easily check this by logging into your BPI online banking account or using the BPI mobile app. Once logged in, look for the Rewards or Points section, usually found under your credit card details. Alternatively, you can call BPI customer service, available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, for a quick balance inquiry. Knowing your balance helps you plan your redemptions effectively. BPI offers a wide array of redemption choices to suit your preferences. You can convert your points into shopping credits, which can be used at numerous partner establishments. For travel enthusiasts, points can be exchanged for airline miles, helping you save on flights. You also have the option to use points to offset your credit card's annual fee or even donate them to various charitable institutions. There are many ways to make your points work for you. Redeeming your points is a straightforward process. First, log into your BPI online banking account or the BPI mobile app. Navigate to the rewards catalog and browse the available items or services. Once you've chosen your desired reward, simply follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the redemption. After successful submission, you'll typically receive your redeemed item or credit within 5 to 7 business days. Enjoy your rewards.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.